going forward. Okay, so we will ask you to upload a scanned copy of your handwritten solutions. Please ensure that you do this every week by the deadline. Okay, what we want to see is we want a well worked out where it is we are able to read it and evaluate it. Okay, we want you to write down your roll number, name on every page. Okay, and please don't bypass. So we want you to upload. So this thing, the a good this thing copy, right? Don't bypass the deadlines by submitting it late, etc. We don't want you to do that. Okay, and going forward, we are going to ensure that these handwritten copies are evaluated. And in case they are found to be incorrect, we will, evaluate it accordingly. Okay, so please don't, it is up to you to upload it and check that you have uploaded the correct file. Okay, you will be able to do it on the portal. You'll be able to see what you have submitted. Okay, obviously we will, this need not even be said explicitly, but obviously submitting somebody else's work, or if two people submit the same work, these are all completely unacceptable and completely prohibited in this program. In any course at any level, things like copying, etc. are taken very seriously. Okay, obviously studying together is okay, but you have to understand separately and write down your solution separately and submit your own works. Okay. As always, there will be 2 quizzes and 1 end semester. Quiz 1 will be based on week 1 to week 4 and so on. Okay. So this doesn't change. I think this is not for diploma students, so you can ignore the other content. So these are the dates tentative dates for quiz 1, quiz 2, and end term. We will communicate with you. Victoria will communicate with them separately as well, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And for courses where there are OPPEs, they will also be, shared via the grading document, the dates and, credit for that. Okay. So in case there is any change in these dates, we will announce it. These are tentative as of now. We will confirm the final dates directly. Obviously, you notice that there are 3 lab courses that are part of the diploma. I'll go back again. There is analog electronics lab, there is digital system design lab, and there is sensors lab. Okay. Apart from that, there is an electronic systems project. For all of these, you will have to come to IIT Madras to demo some portion of the lab experiment. These are all hardware experiment courses. So you will have some portion which you will have to do at home and submit every week. I think all of you know how to do this now. We will ask you to submit a report. We'll ask you to submit a video, right? Both of them will have to be submitted. Okay. You know about the laboratory kit. The laboratory kit will have to be used by you to run the experiments. We have designed the experiments such that they can be done using the lab kit. Okay. So obviously, as before, we have told you this before, you will have to do the regular sessional work and have it evaluated before you come for the online lab. If you don't submit a certain number of experiments, you will not be allowed to come in person. This is the standard grading scheme, okay, that is going to be followed for diploma. There is nothing new. I think you already know this. If you have any questions, you can ask, but you already know this. I think I'm going to skip this because, again, you already know this. Yeah, I also wanted to tell something about the live session because I am seeing very irregular attendance by many of you to the live sessions. Please take the live sessions very seriously. Okay. In many courses, you will see that there is a direct, strong correlation between attending the live sessions and doing well in the course. Okay, so please attend the live sessions and you will be able to benefit. Okay, it's very important. And for standalone students, attending live sessions is mandatory. It is not optional for standalone students. Students who are doing BScs in electronic systems as their only degree or diploma as their only degree. It is mandatory. It is not optional. Okay. Okay, I think we will skip this. I will remind you again about, I talked about copying, things like use of plagiarism, impersonation, all these things are completely not allowed. We have said this before, we'll say it again. Okay, and we have a standard punishment. Okay, depending on what malpractice you do. Okay, there are punishments, appropriate punishments for that. Okay. Same way for non-academic misconduct, things like cyberbullying, harassment, sexual harassment, okay, slandering, being rude to somebody, all of these things carry certain, punishments. So please do not engage in any of these. Okay, so I think I'm going to keep this here. I'll go back to the course table because I assume that is what is most useful to all of you. I'm going to pause here. If you have any questions, please raise your hand. I'll request Victoria to answer your questions. If there is any requirement for me to chip in, Victoria, please ask me and I'll unmute myself.
Sure, sir. If you have any query, please raise your hand. Still now, no one has raised their hands. I hope everyone understands what is the courses that has been offered in the diploma level, and you don't have any queries.
Okay, if there are no questions, then what we could do is we can close the meeting, but feel free to email support, right? Or email support, the support email, and we'll get back to you if you have any questions. Victoria, if there are no questions, shall we close the meeting?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sounds good.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thanks all.
Excuse me, sir. Good evening, sir. Hello.
Yes, Pratham.
Uh, in this term, I took this about the last part, that is the electronics project. So I want to ask how it could be there. Means we would be doing projects under any one of you, or we will make by our own. How many people should be there? Regarding that, I want to see.
So, Pratham, those we will be deciding based on number of students who have registered. Then we will circulate a form you need to select the groups and the guide that you want to work under with. So based on that, we will allocate the guides and the group numbers will be decided based on all those things. Okay, the parameters will be shared with you shortly.
Okay, means afterward the number of based upon that you will see how many students should be there, and you
Yes.
will give us chance to select that.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. And one more thing, one thing is going on in between is that now the further assignments would be checked by our peers only.
Pratham, your voice is breaking. I can't able to hear.
It's, like person A would be checking 40% B, and person. Hello, is it audible? Hello, now is it audible?
Yeah. Yes, Pratham, go ahead.
Hello, is it audible? One more thing is going on between us, that like learner A would check the assignments of the learner B, and learner B will check the assignment for the learner A, and it should be separated. Is
For
it
diploma level students, peer review will
like
be there.
are you are you going to implement this?
Pratham, for diploma level students, peer review will be there. Those
Or
details and all we will be sharing
our
with you shortly.
TA would only will check our the submitted document.
So can we close it?
Yes, Victoria, we can.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.